DJM TV.
This world can be something else. All the thieves, it's only Dezani that is now a thief. Dezani this billion, Dezani that billion. People wrote laws and appropriated the resources of the job people and gave it. Danjuma was given a field. Does Danjuma know the way to that place where he was given a field? He sold part of it for $500 million US. Part of it. That is not corruption. Riwani Lukman has his field. He's dead. His children are enjoying. They are eating and eating and eating and getting fat. So people like Dezani are very stupid and very foolish. When we go to them, they tell us, you have to have capacity. So our people are only qualified to guide pipelines. They are only qualified to guide pipeline. Dezani will give OML to people who are older than, people who have more capacity than, people who have more stake than. Look at it now. All of them have left her. She's left famished, hungry, sick on a wet beach. There's nothing to show for it. There's no single Ijaw person among the people that she gave this money to from her own Ijaw land. No single Ijaw person. But it's Dezani's name. They are not calling their brothers who stole the money that they claim she used to steal the money, that bought the yachts, that built the houses, that are having the foreclosure in the United States, that are having all this. Nobody is talking about them. It is Dezani. We must learn a lesson. You know, one of my cousins like that, his name is Sam David West, Chidiadi. This man, what did he go to prison for? Rich watch and cup of tea, oh, funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea, he went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Ha! Oh, Mumu know too much. Oh, Mumu know too much. Tam David Welch, Daddy. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea. You still they follow Gambari for yard. That's how we are. When the issue of Biafra came, Charlie Boy said it's not in support of Biafra, we are rascals, we are this. 70 years old man. Then Tiagasa, they Tiagas him. He fell, he fainted, he passed out. He passed out. 70 years old man. But when their people came, police with horses, with everything, patrol vehicle, were escorting them. And they were dancing and singing and abusing Charlie Boy. But they say Charlie Boy is our Mumu done too much. Charlie Boy, now Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man. You are a Mumu man. And then throw the tear gas if something way bad for issue. We just pray. They say our Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, they call other people Mumu. They never show you say you be Mumu. Nigeria is not for Dezani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Goodluck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Dokbo. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Eh? Charlie Boy? Goodluck Jonathan? He want to be America, we know. Who is America? Don't be small North Korea, they knock America here, knock America there. What America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a magic school with our money. Instead of this, they go Zingero, they go this place. Now, even road to go to work no day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Man, they never leave you. They have left you behind. This is why some of us, they call us tribalists, they call us tribal jingoists, they call us tribal juggernaut, they call us racists, they call us all sorts of them. God no make mistake when he create me German. He did not make any mistake. Now God and I make me German. If God don't want me to be German, if I make me another thing now. No. So you don't make me. So you are trying to do CC. You are trying to please everybody like this. You good luck, Jonathan. Who will want please? The people where you please, where them? Where the people where them where pack all the money go? No only Tejani night thief. No only Akpoblokem night thief. No only Kingsley Kuku night thief. No only Patience night thief. With no other person thief. Even when court say Rubibi no thief, then say then she thief, in thief. When court say Patience no thief, then say she thief. All of them, even if they are court talk, no. Because the earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you. Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself. Desani did not know herself. Orubibi did not know himself. Charlie Boy did not know himself. Somebody had been away for 94 days. Ghost president. This photo president. Nigeria president now photo. Everybody go ghost now photo with her. Say our president is now photo with the Bishop of Archbishop of Canterbury. Hey, it's now photo with the Rogers. It's now photo with this one. Now president now photo on a vote. Your president is now a picture. Photo. Not be juju be that. Not be when our father died for a dollar and we they cover them, keep them for house, they pour libation. You lose na bread and say, Mako Buhari boy, you lose Buhari prete. Ororusa that? Do no ruler? Chitombo arebo fubo. And that is it. Ari furu site mexi lakwo. We have to rise up. We have to know who we are. The only thing that can guarantee our freedom is the independence of Biafra. There's no two ways about it. Good luck if you like to pretend. The only security for you is independent. Desani, if you like pretend, the only security for you is independent. Charlie Boy pretend the only independence for you, the only freedom, the only liberty, peace for you is the independence of Biafra. We are capable of achieving independence of Biafra. They are not stronger than us. Here, Oyibo Remaso, Oyibo. Oyibo Remaso, Oyibo. Why Chinebia? We will meet each other. That is the only basis for our existence as a people. The independence of Biafra. There's any sorry oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you. Even though you no give us, we see no say you be our daughter. But we hope another defeat day you could learn. Well, there's an opportunity come for but once. Now, so when we small them talk. So be Ijaw first, be Igbo first, be Biafra first.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.